How to reset camera setting on Samsung phone. So this video you learn how you can reset your camera settings on your Samsung phone. Very easy steps. Let's start it. First you have to just go to your settings. Now after opening the settings, now you can find here the apps options on your Samsung phone settings. Which Samsung phone are you using? You have which one Samsung model? Tell me in the comment box. Okay, now you can find the apps options in your Samsung settings. Now you can see in the top side of search bar, you have to just search the camera. After search the camera, you can see the camera. Click on the camera. Now you can see your camera app info here. So you can see here have storage options. Click on the storage options. So now you can see first you have to just clear cache and clear data your Samsung camera app. You have to just clear cache and the clear data. So after do this, now you can go to the back. Now you can open your cameras. After open the camera, now you can see here will be open your camera. So you can see here your camera will be open here. So you want to see your camera settings, then you can see here the camera settings. Click on the settings. You can see the camera settings. You can see the more camera settings this have. So this video is helpful to you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the Gen 1 Guide YouTube channel.